How to change your account in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gamers Tech. Today I am going to guide you how to change your account in Blockman Go. Changing your account in Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Blockman Go, launch the game on your mobile device. Go to Profile, tap on your profile picture or avatar icon, typically located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Open Setting, tap on the setting icon usually represented by a gear. Log out, look for an option to log out or switch account. This may be under the account or sign in section. Sign in with a different account. After logging out, you will be prompted to sign in again. Choose your desired account method such as Google or Facebook. Log in. Enter the credential for the account you wish to switch to. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change account in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.